Here's the best side hustle if you have no money to get started with and you don't want to show your face. It's completely free and completely legit. First, you're going to go to ClickBank and sign up. Then you'll go to the affiliate marketplace. There are so many different categories you can choose from. For this example, we're going to do health and you want to make sure you sort by gravity. You want to look for high gravity and high conversion. Make sure the gravity is never under 20. For this example, I'm going to use this smoothie diet. You'll click on affiliate page to get your affiliate links. Then you're going to go to pixels.com and search something that has to do with what you're promoting. Next, you're going to go to pinterest.com and create your pin. Then you'll add a title and description. You want to make sure you're using keywords that has to do with your product. You want to make sure you're adding your affiliate link down here. And then you post your pin. Now, anytime anybody buys from that link, you get paid. This is called affiliate marketing, and you get paid to promote other people's products.